you understand. It's nothing personal.
It could not be personal. You came to our house and saw how much fun... You got a parent horn?
Ah, that's just like our parent horn, which is also a parent horn. Not making the connection.
Who's ready to wrap? I brought a hat full of teen issues and a honesty stick. Oh, Judy, Phil, how nice to see you. So much for the honesty stick.
Honey, the Millers are a little PO'd.
Penalty couch.
Oh, annoyed. They think we stole Teen Scene back because we're jealous.
Well, that's silly. But Judy should stick around because jealousy is in the issue hat. Crazy. I'm not competing with you people. Let's look at the Teen Scene box.
This isn't a competition. We're just more comfortable having the kids here. That way we know what they're doing.
Are you saying you don't trust us?
No. No. What's your daisy, pal? Nothing to see. Everything's out of the park.
Ted says you use the C word in front of your children. Swear, Kathy, we never say that kind of crap in our house.
You just said it again.
You're lovely people, but we have different ideas than you do about what our children should be exposed to.
A lot of us had wild times when we were younger, but we grew up.